Hi everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about the annual solar eclipse which is happening today. It has good impact on market because sun is the king of all the planets, and sun going in eclipse generally leads to good moves in the market. And we have Mercury going in retrograde, Neptune ingress is happening, which is happening in last 1 or 2 days. So basically when these kind of things happen, so many astro events confluence, you tend to see a very good move in the market. It can be either on upside and downside, so levels will guide us. So astro gives us a very good direction in that. So what I will do is I'll just show you how Nifty has reacted to the past solar eclipse, and then we can see the impact in the current week, because the current week being expiry, so good moves can be seen. So first I'll tell you how to find. So I'm using a software called Timing Solution. So here if I go to Advanced and I click on Eclipse Finder, there I can give the year from which I want the eclipse, and I can give like 10 years. So I'll just put 2010. So we'll try to backtest from 2010. I'll put 10 years, and I want the highest intensity solar eclipse, and I click on calculate. So it will automatically calculate all the eclipse which has formed in the last 10 years, and we are basically looking for this 98% annual solar eclipse which has formed. So I mean, this sheet is getting generated. I have all this data in an Excel sheet, so probably if you guys wanted, I can share it across with you. You can do one thing. You can just come to my website, subscribe to my, this is the link where you can subscribe. You can add your email ID, and you should get this Excel in your email. So this is the Excel. So I've just I've just filtered out all the dates where this annual solar eclipse has happened, which is of intensity of 98%. It has happened in last 7 years. It has formed in last 10 years from 2010. We'll go and see on the charts how it has impacted the market. So let me show you that. So I'll go here. So you have to just add your email address, subscribe to this blog, or like me on Twitter, on Facebook. This Excel should come to you. So now this is the date. So first thing is, let's go to first date was 15 Jan 2010. You can see here this was the date, and from here we had a very good fall in the market. Now next date was 20th May 2012. So I'll just go here, 20th May 2012, 0520. Again, if you can see here, you can see here 20th May. Again 21st May was the date. 20th was a holiday. Market just corrected almost it was a huge fall of almost 200 points. We made a bottom in next 2 days and had a good rally. Then this was the bottom. You can see after 1 day of solar eclipse, we almost got a bottom, and from there the market is just moving on the upside and never closed below this low. The next date was 5th September 2013. So we'll just go and check that date. 2013 0905. Again, you can see here, again this was a major bottom, and from there we had a good rally in the market. Then the next date was 29th April 2014. Again, you can see here, market didn't do anything for 3-4 days, and a big rally was launched in the market, right? So if you can see here, this was the day where solar eclipse happened, and if you see, we were never able to close below it, and once this high was taken out of 29th April, we had a big bang rally. Then we'll see 1st September 2016. 0109. Again, you can see 11th, a top was made and a good fall came. So why this is important? Because next 4-5 days is expiry, and expiry day, expiry week, if we get one good trend, you can make a very decent money. So next was on 26 Feb 2017. 2017/02/26. Again, kind of small bottom was made, a consolidation, then a big rally came in. And the last one was on 26 December 2019. Yeah, this was almost we were near to a top, and from there, we almost made a top here, and we started correcting. So this, so it has impact in the market, but sometimes it works. It gives the move in the very next day, and sometimes it gave after 4 or 5 days. So what is the difference? The difference is if we have 2-3 more astro events which are happening. So I wanted to show you one astro event which is happening. So I wanted to show you one astro event which is happening, which is Sun is also going in an ingress. Means Sun is changing its signs. It's moving to Cancer zodiac, which is mostly a bullish zodiac. So if you can see here, whenever Sun moved into a zodiac, it changes from one zodiac to another zodiac. So if you can see here, we made an exact top on 20th January 2020. From there we had a big fall. Again, this was a top here. We had a big fall. Almost we made a bottom here after the ingress happened. Now last time it happened here, and it was also a kind of bottom. That low was never breached, and it is also happening. So we are going in ingress today. So I will watch out for Friday's high, which is 10,277, and the low, which is 10,065 or 10,070. Whichever side we get breached, we should get a move in the market. Now this is a because Nifty is near its Nifty, it's near its weekly. If you see here, this is the 200 weekly moving average, which is 10,366. If this is breached, then you can see a good rally till 10,500, 10,800. On the downside, if 10,070 is broken, we should see a fall all the way till 9,936. So these, and another thing which is happening is Neptune is also going in a sign change. So and Neptune is the one of the farthest planet. So this is also happening recently. So basically when Neptune and Sun both are moving in a sign change with the solar eclipse happening, so it is all a recipe of a good move. So watch out for 10,272 on upside for a move towards 10,333, 10,400, 10,465, and 10,521 on upside. And once 10,070 is broken, then we can go to 10,936, 9,820 on downside. And similarly for Bank Nifty, 21,400 is a level to be watched out for. If that is breached on upside, then you can see a rally all the way towards 21,972, 22,500, and 23,300. Like Bank Nifty is also forming a ABCD kind of pattern, and to complete this pattern, it has to reach to this point, which is around 23,000. On downside, if 21,000 is breached, then we can go all the way till 2,500, 20,000, 19,683, where this rally started. So this is what solar eclipse, we can see from solar eclipse and the levels which I have given you. So let's see how market is in place. Be ready for the very good exciting week coming forward. Thank you very much.